So dinky. The HPI Racing Nano Tabletop Racer 2-wheel drive Mustangs. They are small. I can't wait to see how this thing is. I know it's a little on the pricey side for the size, but I know it packs a lot of good perks too. So let's get in here and see what all comes with it. All right, that's pretty cool. Okay. It's epic. Okay, take the rest of the stuff out of the box. Comes with a controller and a Type-C charging cord. The battery is already installed. It is a 1S. It's a 58 milliamp hour battery. Short little cord, but you don't really need much. Alright, that's the controller. Throw this thing on charge and then we'll mess with it for a sec and see how it is. Alright, it's got a little bit of charge. Not bad. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's all put together. It's still pretty cool compared to AirPods Pro case. Let's see if I can. Yeah, all the lights are pretty cool. So, good size comparison. Tech deck to it. It can ride the tech deck. But yeah, so this compared to Mini Z. And that compared to a low-C Micro B, compared to the Typhon Grom, it looks quite dinky. I mean, it's literally just... But then you got the Arrma tuned TLR, and I mean it looks like it could ride about perfect right there. Yeah, look at it compared to the Kraton. I mean, so you have 64th scale and you have 5th scale. They're both fun. It's so dinky. It could be the hood ornament on this one. Right on the top of that one. Just goes just into the hole in that one. Yeah, even on the Vortex, it would be real small. So, yeah. Good size comparisons. Alright, so that thing's pretty cool. Yeah, not much to it. Curious on if I can put another body on there. A Hot Wheels body or something 3D printed. So we will see. But yeah, short little video. This thing's cool.